Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone for an extreme power state. This is why you confirm at least 10% battery and close power-hungry apps first. Open settings and go straight to battery. Once there, turn on low power mode to reduce background activity, and then enable Ultra Battery Saver. This shifts your device to a minimal profile. You do this now so the system can recalibrate CPU limits and network behavior, making power savings immediate rather than gradual. Once Ultra Battery Saver is active, you configure the detailed restrictions that produce the biggest gains. In network settings, restrict background data per app so only essential services sync. This reduces radios that wake the device. Then, make sure the screen timeout is short and brightness falls to around 20 to 30%. Screens cost the most power. Finally, toggle off location, Bluetooth, and NFC unless you need them. Collectively, these steps extend standby life. To finish, monitor the battery usage chart for 1 to 2 hours to verify savings. You want to spot any unexpected spikes and identify the offending app. If you need alerts, whitelist critical apps so notifications still come through, but keep most apps restricted. If the mode doesn't behave as expected, apps not sleeping or battery drain continues, reboot the device, then re-enable Ultra Battery Saver. This refreshes service limits and usually fixes lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.